Welcome, simple harmonic motion spring systems. Now let's solve the problem number 9. A mass M at the end of a spring oscillates with a frequency of 0.83 Hz. When an additional 780 gram mass is added to M, the frequency is 0.60 Hz. What is the value of M? Here we are asked to find the value of this mass M. How to find the value of that mass? Here we are given, here we have data. We have frequency 1, which is equal to 0.8 Hz. We have frequency 2, which is equal to 0.60 Hz. And we have mass 2, which is equal 780 gram. To kilogram, we have 0.78 kilogram. Now we have a picture here. I called this mass to this given mass here of 780 gram. I call it M2 here. Now we have to find this mass M. This mass M, which is unknown. This is one of the tough problem in this series of problems. This is tough. How to find? Let's show you. You see, F1 equal 2 pi K over M. F2 like this. You see, the trick is to remember that in both situations here, either here or here, the spring stiffness does not change, is the same. Now I'm going to solve for this spring stiffness and equating. I'm going to solve this spring stiffness, okay, this, and equating. Now for F2 here, for F2 I have to add M2. Now solving for K in this box situation, you find in box situation 2 F square like this. Now K will be equal to, for F1, M 2 pi f1 like this. In the other situation, we find 2 pi f2 square mass, which is unknown, plus the given mass. I first show the algebra here before replacing the value. I want to show the algebra here. As now we find that k equal m plus m2 c 2 pi f2 like this. You see, this k does not change here, meaning that I am going to equate this equation because k equal k, k equal k. Now equating these equations, equating these we have to solve for this m. Equating, we find m 2 pi f1 square m plus m2 2 pi f2 square. Now solving for m, we find, let's try to solve for m. How? Trying to solve for m. Trying to solve for m. Find m 2 pi f2 square plus m2 2 pi f2 square. Solving for m, we find now we want to find this m here, m of this term, m of this term. Now we put this in the other side, 2 pi f1 square negative m 2 pi f2 equal to m2 2 pi f2 square. Now let's factor this. Let's factor this m. We factor for this m. We find, factoring this m, we find 2 pi f1 square negative 2 pi f2 square equal m2 over 2 pi f2 square. See? Now it's easy to solve for this m. Now solving for this m. Solving for this m, we find m equal yeah. Now find m2 f2 square over 2 pi f1 square minus 2 pi f2 square. Now here you have another common factor. Let's factor it. You see, this pi appears in all these terms. Let's factor it like this, because here I have the square. Here. This pi will be like this, 2 pi square. Or I can write for simplicity 4 pi cube. For simplicity, yes, pi 2 mass 2 no mass 2 f2 square over 4 pi 2 f1 square negative f2 square. Now I get, you see here, I cancel this term, we find mass 2 like this over f1 square over like this. Now replacing, you get what do we get? We get the answer of these frequencies are given. Now we get mass 2 is given 0.78 times 0.602 over 0.83 square minus 0.6. We got 0.853.7 kilogram. We round off to get 0.85 kilogram. This is the required mass. This mass, which was the unknown, this one equal, this unknown mass equal 0.85 kilograms. Dear friends, thank you for watching. I tried to put more algebra in solving this problem to clear your ideas, to show how to get the final answer. Now this problem number 9 is well solved. Now next video we solve the problem number 10. Dear friend, thank you for watching.